Hey everybody, Jerry here. I'm going to show you these three trades that I took on Monday. They were absolutely incredible. I got one was a half off and break even, and then I got this really good monster trade. In this video, it's about an hour and 10 minutes long. I'm going to highly recommend that you guys watch that in 1.5 speed, maybe 1 3/4 speed. But there's a lot of very good information in there. We do live trading 9 times a week, Monday through Friday, 10 to 11, Monday through Thursday from 2 to 3 p.m. If you like the way I trade, please like, subscribe, check it out. And if you are interested in trading with us on a regular schedule, Monday through Friday, please click the link below and look to do that with us. So check this out. I know this is a really, really good video. A lot of awesome information in this one. A lot of really good, clean price action, how it establishes really good, clean levels, support, resistance, the whole bit. So check it out. Click the link below. Talk to you guys. Hmm. Good morning, everybody. Just do a quick sound check and audio check, please. Man, what a start to the day. Colby, good morning, my man. Loud and clear. Bill, good morning. James, audio is good. Thanks, guys. Sal, good morning, man. Stephanie, Joey, how's everybody doing? Victor, good morning, my man. Holy smokes, look at this price. Okay, team, we have news at 10. I don't think it's really earth-shattering news, but we still have news. I'm going to mark, as of now, the top of the swing point here. Not going to take a trade through the news candle. We have the absolute pre-market high, and this is truly more of the pre-market high, the top of that swing point, as you all know. And support's pretty clear too. Going to do that for you guys in real time. And I'm going to mark the bottom of this little section here. This candle closes below it. Beautiful distribution down. And possibly find an upper level here in just a moment. But let's just see how this plays out for a little bit. 740.58. I'm going to mark the red wick with just a white line for now. German, good morning. Steve, good morning. Miles, how you doing, buddy? Man, everybody's on today. I love it. Eddie, good morning. For everyone new to Greystone, welcome to live trading and welcome to Greystone. Miles, I could not agree with that more, buddy. Let's make some money. I like it. Esther, good morning. Okay, team, my overarching is on nothing. My underline, I'm going to move it down into here for now. It'll be like the top of this swing point and these wicks in here. I don't see a lot from an overarching standpoint other than those previous day high touches. So we have lots to draw up if we can get a firm close in here. Everybody have a good weekend. All right, team, couple of minutes. Here we have that news candle dropping. Not going to take this, but see what it does. See if we can't get a couple of reactions up at this 740.61 area, and there it is. Autumn's Revenge. What do you got here? Tex, that's awesome, man. Autumn. It looks like you are in your Weeble chart of some sort. You need to go into your Turbo Trader and select the options. That looks like you're trying to buy the whole share. Jason, I think it is Ella in the background. I have it on Zach Bryan radio on my Pandora, so probably just picking up faint little parts of it, buddy. All right, team. Here we are on the news. And I would have been in these puts just to let you guys know had we not been on a news candle. But let it give us an opportunity this morning. And good reactions there to that 740.06. Now pushing down below that. Ryan, what's going on, buddy?
Yeah. Morning, Joey. Not too much. How was your weekend?
It was good, man. How about yours?
Yeah, it was really good.
Yeah, you get some good golf in?
Yeah, I played Friday.
Nice. All right, team. I'm interested in puts here. However, it looks like it's soaking up a lot of the draw of what this was going to be. And Ryan, this thing's going to tear down, huh?
Yeah.
Hmm.
Looks like pretty clean price action so far, though. I mean,
Agreed.
came up, swept pre-market high, bodies back down through the range it had. Pretty smooth buy up through. Yeah, this looks.
Good morning, everyone. Good morning, gentlemen.
Hey, morning.
Andy, good morning, sir. How you doing?
Doing well.
Have a good weekend, man?
I did, yeah.
Ooh.
Man, what a candle here, huh?
Yeah.
All right, team, 45 seconds. I have the 735. Change that to the 736. Puts pulled up. I'm going to stay away on this candle here, team. This is hitting criteria my 740.06. Close below that. It's bouncing off to the top of this little swing point here, and it soaked up most of the draw that I was looking for on the this close with the news candle. So I'm going to stay away here and just wait for a setup that gives us potential for a full trade. Ryan, Andy, if you guys like this, you feel free to call it.
Mm.
It looks like they took this year to got filled around 153 to 155, and you had definitely got half off, maybe even three quarters off, and then looks like you're stopped at break even there.
That was an interesting move down and right back up. Hmm.
Ryan, did you take that?
No,
No.
no. I'm trying to get my Weeble settings right here. There we go. Yeah, I'm considering. So I went back to the ladder, and I think it's performing okay now. But I was considering going back to your video and redoing it.
Man, I gave up on that ladder long
Yeah,
ago. As much as I love it and how wonderful it is when it works right, it just lags so
yeah,
much and it cost me
yep,
way too much money. This is no way.
yeah. I hear you.
And I felt like I was defining the level of crazy, like trying to repeat it 30 times in a week and make it work doing the exact same thing. I'm like, this is insane. Hey, I have 739.60 marked. It was the top of this wick when it was came up and retraced. I also had the bottom of the swing point here marked at 740.06. I'm going to slide my resistance back up to the 740.04. It's the bottom of these wicks in here. Firm close up of 740.04. I'm in calls. And we can ideally ride that up to the highs of the day and the absolute pre-market highs wicks. So we can get that. And then obviously if it closes below 738.88, puts all day. And I'm actually going to modify that up to the bodies here, grabbing that red wick at 7:39:15. Um, Bela, I apologize if I'm saying your name. We're looking at SPY, SPY. All right, team, 39 seconds. 743 calls are pulled up. 743 calls are pulled up. Firm close above 740.04. Hmm. 10 seconds. 4, 3, 2, 1, and buying here. And filled at 140. No stop yet. Looking for 151 to 152, team. See if we can make that happen. A little bit more. There's our 150. A little bit more, team. Give it one more attempt here to get up through that. Let's go. And go ahead and take half there, team, at 150. Stops at break even.
Yeah, I think some people got a different fill. I got a quite a bit different fill, but um, I think depending on what time you bought, I can see how Jerry got a huge discount.
I got 141. I was confused how I did.
I
Yeah,
Uh,
was too.
like,
Yeah.
but this looks fantastic either way. I got fill at 145.
yeah, I
This
mean,
is this is yeah.
I just took another quarter at 157. So even if you got a brutal fill, I think you were able to at least go risk free there.
Yeah, I went risk free at 156. But congrats for people who got good fills.
I stopped still at break even, team. I was looking for that 155, but I couldn't get it off, and that was it. All right, stopped at break even.
Hmm, that was interesting.
Yeah, it was funny. Like I
That was
didn't
interesting.
even really know, and I didn't hesitate. I didn't hesitate. I bought right at the close. I saw it jumping around like crazy on the ladder. It may have just been a touch of repricing somehow.
It
But
happened really fast.
yeah.
I might have bought just a hair before you guys did.
Steve got a 139 fill. Yeah, people got filled all over the place.
But honestly, if you got filled at 148 and haven't gone risk free, I still like this.
No, I do too.
I mean, the
I'm right there
contracts
with
are
you.
a little,
I
yeah.
was trying to get that quarter off, but I couldn't make that happen. I was looking for that 157, 159, but just couldn't do it. All right, team, stand by for re-entry on this. Same contracts. Man, these things are all over the
Yeah,
place.
they're all over the place. They hit 147 about 5 seconds ago, and now they're already at 128. Yeah, these are
40 seconds. May 19th, 736 pulled up. Firm closed below resistance at 740.04.
736 puts. Right.
736 puts, yes, sir. Turning resistance into support. 15 seconds. We have draw down to 739.15. 3, 2, 1, and staying away, non-firm candle. Actually, I think that was a firm candle. Or it was right at neutral. Either way, I'm not in that. If Andy or Ryan, y'all took that, y'all can call it. I'm
No,
not
I
in
didn't
it.
take that.
I didn't read that as a firm
yeah.
candle. It did print firm, but I did not read it that way.
To be honest, I couldn't figure out contract movement, so I was a little hesitant anyway. So
That's okay. Let's get a
yeah,
really good high quality setup. Something that's got full trade potential in it. Because I
I mean these.
truthfully
Oh,
I love this setup. We have that non-wickless top candle here. We got room all the way up into the pre-market highs at 741.51. Super, super strong market over the last month and a half. Like
yeah,
that was a gorgeous entry in my mind.
yeah.
But it just didn't push it through all the way.
As you were assessing it, I was noticing that the put contracts got heavily repriced too.
Mhm.
So like on that close of the two candles ago, the 736s were at 124 and they opened at 134. So I was just kind of like a little deer in the headlights about what was going on.
Yeah.
Um, but yeah, if you can catch this moving the right way, man, these are flying.
Okay, team. Slight modification to resistance at 740.60 and slight modification to support at 739.93. Grabs the bottom of the swing point through the pre-market and then recent price action there, ignoring these candles as retracement candles. Into this, we get above that, take it into all time or highs of the day, and we get below that, we can ride it into the PDL touches. So I'm super behind on questions, team. I'm going to focus up on that after this candle. It was really weird with all the fill gaps on that last trade too.
Yeah.
Oh, are you going to do this? $737 puts are pulled up, team. Firm close below 739.93.
Blake, you said I got the 736 put at 130 and it's at 117, but I'm losing money. That's so odd. No, 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 man. When,
What's happening?
Switching to the 743 calls.
okay.
Yeah.
Firm above 740.60. 50 sec. 3, 2, and staying away. All right, sorry about that. I didn't mean to interrupt, guys.
Yeah, Andy has read that question too, and I'm like, yeah, when put contracts move against you and they go down, you do lose money.
Yeah, so Blake, I could be wrong, but this is why I was concerned, man, when you had a $5,000 day yesterday in like your second week. And I'm like, dude, I want to make sure we're going at an appropriate speed here. Puts increase in value when SPY goes down. No matter if we're buying calls or puts, we want the contract that we purchased to increase in value. That's how you make money from being able to sell at a greater price than what you purchased.
Michael, what do I use if I'm not using the ladder? I trade inside the chart on Webull, the Webull chart, the option chart itself. And then my turbo trader, and then I manage my trailer and stragglers through the chart, trying to see where areas of draw are to manage that the best of my ability. I made a video on how I do that, Michael. Stacy, you don't find that it takes longer taking profit without the ladder. I the ladder for me, it just kept lagging, and I also can't see the actual option chart to trading view to know where to put that at for my draw. So it just allows me to manage my trailers a bit better. And over the course of 6 to 9 months of trading it like that on that chart, I've been able to maximize my trailers from an average of like 18% to 20% to 23.5 to 24% on that, which is absolutely massive amounts of money that gets added into the account over time with trailers. Instead of just blindly saying, "Oh, I want my stop at 180 because that's 10 or 12 cents below that," you can actually put it to where swing points are and points of draw to where you expect it to reject or push through that to maximize the money on that. Weird little spot for it to consolidate, huh? I guess not. I mean, it's in between the top of the swing point and the bottom of the swing point, I suppose. So, all right, team. 2 minutes to go. Calls above 740.60, puts below 739.93. The 736 puts are pulled up, team. 736, May 19th. 1 minute to go. All right, team, 20 seconds. Let's see if this gives it to us. 8 seconds. Be at the ready here, team. This could push down. And staying away. And that level's confirmed now. Essa, that video is in the chat. Hmm. 18 minute to go. 7:36. Puts are still pulled up. Firm close, and I'm in this.
Oof, the ladder's super leg. There it is.
30 seconds. 3 seconds. 2, 1, and buying here. Filled at 139. Come on. Come rip through that aftermarket high. And taking half their team at 152. Stops at break even. We come above 156 or so, team. I'll take my stop back off, and I'm looking for 158 to 162 on the next piece, team. It did come and touch 156. I was looking for some more than that. Like I said, if we come above 152 to 154, I'll take my stop off. Come on. Rip right through that. Let's go, SPY. Come grab those PDLs. Stop's coming off. Come on. Let's go, SPY. Nice and fast. Let's go. Taking another quarter there, team at 161. Stops at 140. Splitting my stragglers as well. Taking my stop to 160. Stop to 170. Come on. Stop to 174. Stop to 179. Come on. Get down to that PDL wick, the lows of the day. Let's take it out right now. Stop to 180. 184. 186. Stop to 190. Stop to 195. Stop to $2. 203. Stop to 205. Get going, motherfucker. Let's go. Come on, 230 on these. Let's go. Let's go. Stop to 210.
Oh,
Stop to 212. Stop to 212. Staying at 212. Let's go. Take out that wick. Let's go get aftermarket low. Let's go get aftermarket low. Come on. Come on. Stop to 220. 222. 230. 235. Stopped at 235. How'd you guys do on that?
Incredible.
What?
Oh my God.
Oh, that was a good one.
Oh my
Been waiting for you. Oh, my stragglers are
Oh,
still going to be good on this one. Come get that pre-market low right now. Sal, that is a classic
absolutely.
example of close below a high level of support, trading through the range and gorgeous distribution. Everybody happy with that?
That is
Please say you're
insane.
still in stragglers. Please say
Speechless.
you're still in
Yeah.
stragglers. Oh man, look at that 260. I just got tapped out with those. Oh, we should still be in this with a giant chunk of them. It's okay. Look at that. Those things are at 260 now. Team, I'm taking my stragglers to
Oh,
150, just so you guys know. And I'm going to let them sit at one. Actually going to take them to 180 right now. It's not a huge number, but why not, right? Ryan, Andy, how'd you guys do on that?
uh, outstanding. These,
Yeah, it did really well.
I mean, obviously massive red candle, but we've had candles like that move $2 and just hadn't gotten the delta. But man, these contracts were
They
phenomenal.
moved. They moved.
Oh, I love it.
I mean, 139 was my entry, and my stop on my trailers was 230.
Ooh.
235 was my stop on those.
Oh, they moved so nicely.
And I still have 25 sitting at 180. I have a lot of stragglers.
I would take this all day, every day. Man, that was awesome.
Team 1037, we have
Awesome.
20 minutes left. I am not done. I'm just going to wait for another set.
Savage.
So, Bill, you took the 737s. They open at 167 and you got them at 257. Bill, that is beast. Absolutely beast. Okay, team. Firm green candle above PDL wick at 737.97 for calls. Firm green candle for calls above the PDL wick at 737.97. This candle, if we take this trade, will most likely nuke your stragglers, but we can ride this all the way back up to the top of that red candle with all that liquidity that SPY just left behind. I'm going to size down very, very small on this next trade, only because of that giant win we just had, and there's no reason to give a lot of it back. Sether, you made 24% on that one. Aaron, was that a tweet? I don't think so, man. Weekly goals are fun to make in 30 minutes into a Monday. Nolan, I could not agree with you more on that, buddy. That was a really good one. If you were like, depending on how your size, you could easily be at your 3 to 4% target on that trade.
Yeah. Is anyone not at their
You,
is anyone not on at their weekly goal
I'm
after
at it.
that? Because dude, even if you're let's say you're sized at 10%
Mhm.
and
I mean, 10% should have put you roughly
the
at
last the
2.6 to
last the
2.8.
last quarter, if you didn't have trailers, your last quarter would stop at a 70% return. So 27%, 28% net on the trade. So yeah, I mean that's over anyone's weekly target. That would be 2.8% on if you're still at 10% of your overall account. So that's 1.4 times your weekly target, no matter how you're sized at.
741 calls are pulled up, team. Watching this closely here. and staying away. Ryan, you kill that one or what, buddy?
Yeah.
I know I have this like odd feeling that you guys are like 7 to 10% higher than what I am on that trade, like dollar wise, easily.
What do you mean?
Like just from a size, I don't know. I was sized pretty
Oh,
heavy on that one, so we'll see.
I did 17. I did 17 on that. Well, for the day, including the
Oh
first
my,
trade. But we're a
oh
little
man,
over 17.
yeah, you got me. You got me on that one.
I also only left 10 behind, so I was able I've realized profit, Jerry, on 15 that you haven't.
Mhm.
So keep that in mind too.
Okay.
I only have 10 left behind.
I have 25 left behind, and I'm depending on what they do, I'm gonna. I have to stop at 180 on those now. I'm just gonna let them sit for a little while. Moses, this took you past your monthly goal. Good job, Moses. Moses is an animal, man.
Yeah.
He's been trading really good, man.
Yep. Crushing.
Lance, 4% for you and you were sized at 10%. How crazy is that? Sized at 10% of his account makes 4% on that. That's absolutely amazing.
That's amazing. Peter, you 4x'd your account.
That's some of the best contract movement I've seen in a long time.
incredible.
The stragglers just got taken out. .30 seconds, team. 741 calls are pulled up. 741 calls are pulled up. 15 seconds. Firm and above 738.62. and obviously staying away. Man, May's been an amazing month, huh, boys?
Yeah.
Thank God. Amazing month.
Oh, absolutely.
April wasn't bad either.
No, it wasn't. Peter, this is for sure going to change your life. You have no idea, my man. Seven thirty, 740, firm below that for puts team. Peter, the compounding side of this thing is absolutely just insane, and I couldn't agree with you more. Eric, nice $1,275 win. Good work, buddy. Arnick, you made 7.25 on that last trade and a total gain on all three of your trades at 9.95. That's so much money. From a percentage standpoint, that's absolutely incredible. Man, good work, buddy. Man, my stragglers just got tapped. I'm thinking back at it, I should have left them at break even. But I'm also complaining that I made 40 something dollars per contract on it too. So there's that. I
Exactly. Exactly.
probably shouldn't do that.
I, yeah, I certainly am not the straggler expert, but
You can't be. It's
yeah,
how could you possibly get it 100% right? If you get it
yeah.
70% close enough, like it's impossible. How could you
Yeah.
possibly get it right 100% of the time? The point is just to get a good bit more. If you can a couple times a month get tapped at over 300, 400, it's more and more and more than worth it to miss out on a bunch of them.
One minute. 733 puts are pulled up team. They're priced at about a buck 38. Firm close below 737.40. Those contracts will probably be about a buck 42 to a dollar 44 if this happens. 30 seconds. Sizing small. Protect that win. Don't give a lot of it back. 15 seconds. Be ready, team. If this happens, it's going to happen fast. 5 seconds. 3, 2, 1, and staying away. I thought that was going to give it to us, guys.
I did too.
It's okay though. We still got 10 minutes left to let it do its work. Andy, Ryan, you guys going to take another one? Y'all happy with the morning?
I'm waiting for another one. One more.
How
I
about you,
can't tell
If
if the
Andy?
it ge-
contracts are
if
moving
it
as. Yeah.
if it gives it, I'll go small size, but I'm good.
I, I mean, with the way these contracts are moving,
Yeah.
it's worth it. If it continues to do that.
Yeah, Peter, it is moving sideways, but it's moving sideways in a giant range, man, like 730, 740 to 738. Those are dollar plus candles, man. These are big. You're going to get lots of movement when they're moving that fast within a 5 minute period. 741 calls are pulled up, team. We keep rejecting this previous day low touches at 738.62. I do need it to be firm and above that. 25 seconds. Six seconds. Two, one, and obviously staying away. Hmm. Team, a little bit of a hybrid trade possibly here. 737.91 withdrawal down to 737.40. Firm close below that for continuation down. I don't see the same going back up. Going to read through this candle here. Very bearish structure. Looking for the highest entry point into puts to go down into the 737.40 and ideally the wick here at 736.35 to continue down. Now, in the perfect world, this will come and reject PDL touches and then close red below 737.91. But it came and rejected the bottom of the two bodies from the opening two candles. Yeah, perfect right there. It comes to 738.53. Turn red and continue. Danny, the Jerry special cooking.
Mm-hmm.
You like calls here?
Let's see how far it pushes up here.
Yeah, that's what I'm concerned about too. It's really struggling to get above that PDL touches at 738.62 and stay above it.
Yeah.
Even
And
with
then
a
there's
firm
that
candle, I'm not, yeah.
those bodies in the pre-market at the top of 738.71. We wicked that twice in the last three
Yeah.
candles too. I'm with you on your read. I see this going down potentially, but let's wait. Let's see what happens here in the last minute and a half or so.
Mhm.
First first candle, it
What
really
was,
didn't much,
mhm.
in a while, or hasn't done much at least.
I have the 734 puts pulled up. 734 puts pulled up. They're about a buck 35-ish right now. If this is red below that, those will move into like the $1.43 to $1.45 range. But this looks like it's climbing hard at the moment in the last 30 seconds.
Mhm.
Not assessing calls at the moment, team. Close right below that level. Nice confirmation.
Yeah.
And a little gap up and print above it, huh? Not a big
Yeah.
gap, but a gap is all the same.
I'm gonna drop here, guys. Incredible session. Way to kick
Yeah.
off another awesome week. And have an amazing rest of your day, guys. See you in a bit.
Take care.
Andy, have a good one. See you tomorrow.
See you guys.
Oh, what
Ooh,
is happening now?
look at that.
Oh, what the hell? So angry.
Yeah, these are moving interestingly, aren't they?
Holy smokes, huh?
Yeah.
What the hell's happening? There has to be a tweak going on. I guess it doesn't have to be, but I would imagine there is. All right, Nick, have a good day as well, buddy. The stragglers are back at 260 now if I still had them. Hopefully, some people left them at
And these
break even.
contracts are insane.
Yeah.
The 733 puts on that
Yeah.
little wick, which was like about a minute ago, were at 96 and they went to 160 or 158.
Wow.
One DTs.
So much time left on this candle, too. It's interesting. Hmm. Oh, interesting. Blake's saying that Major Green Taylor said there's going to be a revolution because Trump's talking about putting troops on the ground.
Looks like it got deleted.
Oh, did it?
Well, I was reading that and that just disappeared as you were reading it.
Oh, yeah, it's gone now. You like these still, Ryan?
I do.
Me too.
Absolutely.
They need a little wider stop with this one.
Yeah.
Sizing down, protecting the morning. $733 puts are pulled up, team. Firm close below 737.40.
Hmm. Give it to
15
us.
seconds, team. Be ready. Firm close is what we're looking for. Be ready for quick execution. 8 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And buying here. Filled at 147. No stop. Come on, Spy. Come rip through that aftermarket low. Take out those wicks to the left. Let's get this done. No stop on team.
Hmm.
Looking for 155 plus 158. I know that's not our proper percentages. These are just snappy and whippy.
Yeah, they are. Whoa.
Come on. Stop is off, team. Looking for 158 plus. You're going to be a little patient here, but also very aware of how volatile these things are moving. Like SPY is pushing down, but the
Hmm.
contracts aren't pushing with it quick enough. All right, one more attempt, team. Be ready.
Execute quickly here. Come on.
Ready for it. Come on. One hard push. Joe, I do not have a stop on yet. Get ready for it, team. This happens is going to be very fast. No stop. Come on. Getting a little erosion here. Come on, SPY. Let's rock. Push down to 736.37. Let's go. All right, team, go ahead and put my stop on at 122. Team, as soon as we're close back to break even, if that happens, I'm going to take my stop off, and I'm going to be very quick to get risk free on this if it lets me. Come on, SPY. Fall. Little erosion here. All we need is some speed. Stop is off. Come on. Taking half their team at 156. Filled at 158. I don't know how that happened, but I'll take it. Stops at break even. Gorgeous close. We'll make up some on the back end if it lets us. Stops coming off. Stops going back on. Come on. A little bit more. Stop is off and taking another quarter team there at 167. It didn't. I got filled at 150. That was terrible. Stops at break even.
What happened there?
I have no idea. And stopped. I don't know what happened there. I don't know what that was. Did you get a,
I
do
only
you
got
still,
I only got half off. So I got filled at 148 and I got
uh-huh.
half at 162 and put it to break even and I was just about to take my stop off and it snapped back and got me.
Oh, yeah, team, that was terrible execution on my part, guys.
I don't
My
know.
apologies on
I
that.
don't think so. Like, how could you have predicted that was going to happen?
I thought we were selling into strength, but I did
Yeah,
not.
it snapped really quickly.
Man, then that had potential to make a lot of money.
Yeah, nice job, man. Like you can't control that. Yeah,
Yeah.
that's what a session. I'll take that
Man,
every time.
yeah, that three green trades, even though that second one has this one has so much great potential here. Take what we get with it. You know what I mean?
Yeah. Oh my God. Yeah. Yeah. Nice work, man. I'm gonna sign off. But
Yeah.
hey, way to go, Jerry.
Ryan, I
That was
appreciate it, buddy.
phenomenal. All right, man. We'll talk to you
That was
soon.
a cool session. All right,
See you
team.
guys this afternoon.
Yep. I'm
Okay.
gonna circle through some questions here, answer up, and then I'll see you at 2.
Perfect. All right,
You
man.
got it, man.
See ya.
0. Sal, man, thanks, buddy. Brooke, you had your stop set at 6, and oh man, bro. Danny, thanks, man. I feel like man, I pushed the button at 168 and I got a 157 fill, so I got a terrible market fill on that last piece there, man. But and looking at it in real time, I thought I did it right, but I just didn't. Moses, Jerry did it perfectly. Market just stabbed the wrong direction, looking for liquidity, and you have no control of that. Yeah, Moses, I think you're right, man. I thought I nailed it a little bit better. Maybe I was being too greedy with that 168 and should have went for the 164, but I'll take what I get with it, man. Ryan, still a positive trade win, and thanks for the amazing session. Ryan, my pleasure, man. Yeah, it snapped it. It snapped all of us, man. Yeah. Miles, Iran's new offer is insufficient risk war resumption scenario. Oh, man. Miles, this is kind of just a question, not saying it's like more of like a rhetorical kind of question. Like I'm kind of confused of how Iran thinks they have any negotiating power whatsoever. Like, am I missing something there, guys? Like clearly they do. I just don't understand like what that exactly is. Like, I mean, if we listen to what they've done, we took out all their air defenses, we've done all this stuff. Like, what exactly do they have to negotiate? But I mean, asking for a friend. And if I missed any questions, I apologize. If you don't mind and you're still on, if you re resend them to the top, would be great for me. A revolution in the US. Okay, Danny, that's a fantastic thought or theory or observation, whatever you want to call it. Blake, it's a lie. I haven't best them up like they claim. Okay, that's fair too. Jake, Jerry, if you end the week green and are barely above your weekly targets to start the next week, do you size back to normal? What happens if you stop out? Jake, yes. So you got to compound your trades, right? So let's say your weekly target's 3%. You have a $10,000 account. Your account's now at 10,300. You should be adding that $300 into your next trade. So that should be adding 1 to 2 potential contracts to that. If you stop out, you stay size the same. Set a weekly um, number that you will not go below. Like call it 6%. You will not go more than negative 6% on your account. If you are more than that, with a 2% weekly goal, and you're sized at 10% of your account, just stop trading and just assess and reevaluate until the market clears up and everything starts working right. And figure out if it's your execution, if it's the market not following through for you, whatever that may be, buddy. And then just once you start approaching that weekly target of 2 to 2.5%, 3%, just start throttling off of it a little bit and try to creep it to 3.5 to 4%. And then, the higher that you go, the higher, the bigger number you protect, right? So if your goal is 2% and you're at 1.8, you're trying to creep it to 2.5. You get to 2.5, you protect 2. You get to 3, you protect 2.5. Just example, and whatever risk tolerance that works out for you, just keep walking that line and stacking the profits so you don't go backwards. And it can be a little challenging, a little tricky, like on a Monday like this, where we have a big giant ripper and huge profits on that. And but it just goes into it.